In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable easy mode. Begin by going into devices settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on accessibility and convenience. Scroll again and this time click on simple mode. Lastly, to activate it, hit enter simple mode and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode was successfully enabled. If you wanna disable it, hit settings again. And if you still see normal settings, you need to close them in the background. Tap on settings again and wait until you see simple mode layout. If you wanna exit simple mode now, scroll all the way down and hit exit simple mode. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by selecting exit. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!